MTHFR gene, methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase. It's a mouthful. That's why we call it MTHFR. But it is this little gene in your cells that produces a protein. That little protein is an enzyme that takes one type of folate and changes it into methylfolate. If you have one of the SNPs that slows that process down, you don't make as much methylfolate, which is your active form of folate. You can have a lot of plain folate in your body, but if it's not active, you're really not getting the benefit. So if that gene is slow, hinders that process, your methylation cycle, which you need to make creatine for your muscle energy, which you need to use to control genes turning on and off in your DNA, which you need to make phosphatidylcholine, which is a chemical in the cell membrane, so you need healthy cell membranes in all your cells, plus hundreds of other reactions, controlling what level of hormones you have in your body, sometimes controlling how well you're detoxifying chemicals that you ingest or that are produced in your body. So this little methylation cycle, which depends in part on MTHFR, is critical for your health. So that's why we're hearing so much about it, because it's tied to chronic disease, it's tied to things like autism, it's tied to things like cancer, asthma, so many things that it's hard to keep track of the news reports that are coming out in research studies. So that's what MTHFR is. And I could probably spend another hour, but hopefully that gets you started on understanding a complex subject.